Hi friends, welcome in this online class of Jizav Jnanatirtha Vidyalay, Pathri Road, Parvani. Friends, today we have to see the General Science of Standard 6th. In that, in the last lecture we have finished the chapter number 4, Disaster Management. Today we have to start the new chapter. The name of the chapter is Substances in Surrounding, Their State and Properties. So friends, see here, substances in surrounding and their properties, okay, with their state. Name the solid, liquid and gaseous states of water. So ice is the solid state of water, water is the liquid state of water, and vapors are the gaseous states of water. So these are the three different states of water. Change of state of substance. See friends, this is we want to learn with the help of experiment. In the experiment we have to take some apparatus. With the help of that apparatus we can perform the experiment and we can observe what is happen exactly in this experiment. Take piece of wax in the bowl and heat them on a candle or a spirit lamp. So friends, take some pieces of wax in the bowl and heat them on a candle or spirit lamp. Next, how do the pieces of wax changes? Pieces of wax changes from solid to liquid. You can observe the pieces of wax in the first bowl, and after the heating that bowl with the help of candle or spirit lamp, these pieces of wax is converted into the liquid. What was the initial state of wax? Wax initially is in the solid state. What did it get converted into? And after heating, these solid gets converted into liquid state. Now keep the same bowl in cold water. What happens? And when we put the bowl with a liquid wax, that wax again converted into the solid wax. Okay, when a substance changes from one state to another, the process is called change of state of the substance. So with the help of this experiment we can say or observe what is mean by change of state of matter or substance. Okay, see friends, next experiment. Read this list of substances: spirit, camphor, petrol, ghee, coconut oil, naphthalene ball, ammonium chloride. Okay, we call it as in Marathi Navsagar. Okay, so friends, which one freezes in winter? Which substances freezes in winter? Spirit, camphor, petrol, ghee, coconut oil, and other substances they are already in the solid states. So friends, ghee and coconut oil is freezes in winter. Which liquid have you seen change into a vapor? Okay, so when we heat water, the water gets converted into the gaseous state. We called it as water vapors. So like that, which liquid have you seen changes into a vapor? So here is a petrol that is also converted into the vapor directly without heating it. Next, which solid directly changes into the gaseous state? You have observed the naphthalene ball and camphor. These are the substances that is directly converted from the solid to directly gaseous state without converting it into the liquid state. So what we learn from this? The state of substances changes if it is heated or cooled. Every substance in our surrounding is found in either the solid, liquid or gaseous state. Every substance in our surrounding that is present in a specific state from these three, that states are solid, liquid or gaseous states. Okay, see friends, in the past, in a 19th century, the scientist J. Willard Gibbs showed that the characteristic properties of substances depend on its physical state and the arrangement of particles in it. See, this is the most important point. That is, with the help of experiment, these scientists tell us that characteristics properties of a substance depends on its physical state and the arrangement of particle in it. So this is most important point, friends. See next, there is a one table. We have to see the information about that table. See here, point, example, shape and volume about the solid, liquid and gaseous states. So see here, first of all, points: solid, example, a piece of iron. Shape, has a shape of its own, a retained shape no matter how it is kept. Volume, has a definite volume. Solid like sugar, sand, when poured on a flat surface form a heap. हिप म्हणजे काय? रास, त्याची रास तयार होते, ढीग तयार होतो. नेक्स्ट, लिक्विड, एक्झाम्पल्स वाटर, स्पिरिट अँड ऑइल. शेप, डज नॉट हॅव अ स्पेसिफिक शेप ऑफ इट्स ओन, टेक्स द शेप ऑफ द कंटेनर. ओके. Volume, it has a specific volume, occupies definite proportion of a container, spread on the flat surface on pouring, flows downward along a shape. See, these are the differences in the solid, liquid, and after that gases. Here is the example of gas. Shape, does not have a specific shape of its own, occupies all the available space. Volume, does not have a definite volume. On changing the pressure on a gas in a closed container, its volume also changes. So friend, this is the information about change of state of matter. We have seen the different states and compare with one another substances present in the solid, liquid and gaseous state. So next point we have to see in the next lecture. So friends, we will stop here and we will meet tomorrow. Up to that we have to stop here. Okay, thank you.